Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. And today it is the 1st December. We are about to leave for Mundgod. Yes, you heard it right. So, it's been probably 5 days since I'm back, and I just called one of my school friends, and his name is Ajay. So, you might probably know him. So, we just made a plan to go to Mundgod on his bike. So, yeah, that's the plan for now. And after which, we actually don't have a plan, but we are about to go there and have a really amazing day. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. You and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
One, two, three, go.
कर कर कर
na 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 na